Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through removing an app, typically a Discord bot, from your Whop community. This is essential for maintaining security, privacy, and control over your community's dynamics. Since Whop's 2022 launch, managing these integrations has evolved, especially with the recent 2025 updates. We'll show you the current, most efficient method. First, let's clarify some key terms. In the context of Whop, an app usually refers to a Discord bot. These bots add functionality to your community, like moderation, automation, or even entertainment. Whop facilitates the sale and integration of these bots, but sometimes you need to remove them. Begin by logging into your Whop account at whop.com. Navigate to the specific community you want to manage. Look for the Apps or Integrations tab. This section, enhanced in late 2025, provides a central location to view and manage all apps connected to your community. Next, switch over to your Discord server. Go to Server Settings, then Integrations, and finally, Bots. Here you'll find a list of bots in your server. Locate the bot you're removing and kick or remove it from the server. This ensures it's physically disconnected from Discord. Some bots create specific roles or channels within your Discord server to function properly. After revoking the bot's access, it's crucial to remove these associated roles and channels to prevent any leftover permissions or unwanted functionalities from affecting your community. First, access your Discord server settings. Click on your server name at the top left, then select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. To remove roles, navigate to the Roles tab in Server Settings. Here you'll see a list of all roles in your server. Look for any roles that were created by the bot you just removed, often indicated by the bot's name or specific permissions. When you find a bot-related role, click on it to edit, then use the Delete Role button. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up that appears, as this action cannot be undone. For channels, go to the Channels tab in Server Settings. Review the list of text and voice channels. Identify any channels created by the bot, such as automated announcement channels or bot-specific voice rooms. To delete a channel, right-click on it and select Delete Channel. Confirm the deletion, keeping in mind that this will permanently remove the channel and its messages. Before making changes, always back up important community data, as some bots may store settings externally. Also, audit permissions to ensure no residual access remains. This thorough cleanup helps maintain a secure and organized server. While Whop has made app removal much easier, manual oversight is still essential for complete security. Always double-check that the bot is fully disconnected from your Discord server and all its permissions have been revoked through both Whop and Discord settings. For custom bots or those not fully integrated with Whop's tools, you may need to contact the bot developer directly to ensure proper removal. As a best practice, regularly back up your community's data, roles, and settings before removing any app to prevent data loss. The future of app management on platforms like Whop emphasizes security and user control. As technology evolves, expect significant advancements in how communities manage and protect their apps. One key trend is AI-driven monitoring. By 2027, Whop plans to integrate artificial intelligence systems that constantly monitor apps for unusual activity. These systems will alert users to potential security risks, such as data leaks or unauthorized access, before they become major problems. Another advancement is automated removals. Using anomaly detection algorithms, AI will automatically disconnect and remove apps that exhibit suspicious behavior. This proactive approach will significantly reduce response times to security threats and minimize community disruption. Stricter bot vetting processes are also on the horizon. As privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA gain importance, platforms will require more thorough security audits for apps before they can be listed. This will lead to a 20% growth in certified, Whop-approved bots that guarantee easy removal and data protection. Looking further ahead, Whop may expand its app management tools beyond Discord to include platforms like Slack and Telegram. This expansion will necessitate standardized removal protocols, making it easier for users to manage apps across different community platforms. These trends are already influencing developers. According to a 2026 survey by the Bot Developers Association, 75% of developers now include easy revocation features in their apps, up from 50% in 2024, largely due to Whop's influence and user demand for better security. By staying informed about these future trends and consistently following the app management steps covered in this guide, you can ensure your Whop community remains safe, secure, and well managed as technology continues to evolve.